clean it up a little bit. Clean the holes. So my intention is to put it through like that. And I made a knot clean also. To get the holes clean as possible. So my intention is to like that. Also had a piece of angle bracket that goes around an edge. I just cut it and get the same size screws. So I have to find where we put the hole. I think it's like this. Nope. Like that. Yeah, that's more like it. I found two screws. Mix and match screws. They don't actually match. Like that. So I cut it to fit the same disc that sits in the drain to make it flat. And I make this little gizmo here. These are 1/4 inch bolted nuts that I had from a different project. And it's kind of odd, but it'll work. I think it'll work for now until I receive the new part. I'm gonna tie it up like that. Make sure that's tight, so it could support that. Hopefully it could fit it to the drain, something like that. The only problem we have is the little edges here. So I'm gonna try and come up with an idea for that. But I think it's okay. Once it's drained, have enough holes. Okay, hope you like the video.